Welcome to my channel. To learn more, please visit my website and follow my social medias. At school. Teacher, teacher. Pupil, pupil. Board, table, table. Chair, chair. Pen, pen. Book, book. Exercise book, exercise book. Paintbrush, glue, glue. Sharpener, sharpener. Pencil, pencil. Ruler, ruler. Scissors, scissors. Computer, computer. Eraser, eraser. Pencil case, pencil case. School bag, school bag. Chalk, chalk. Paint box, paint box. Thank you for watching.